guys, if you're new here.
Already?
Yeah, we haven't said that in a long time. I'm gonna make sure that I say it now. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and join what will now be a family soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a very exciting, nervous day. Yeah, we'll be having our first ultrasound, as you can probably see from the title already. Yeah, so throughout these whole weeks, it's just been me just trying to hope that everything is fine and that the baby's alive. I think it's alive though, because I mean my stomach has grown a little bit. I've been having symptoms, but I must say my pregnancy hasn't been tough really. I've only vomited once, and I think that was because I had some iron tablet, and then I ate porridge because I wasn't feeling for porridge, so it was two things and then made me puke. Otherwise I've been feeling pretty fine, just been really tired. That's like my number one problem, that I've been really tired and I've been eating a lot.
But fact is, I've been feeling way worse than you, babe. I have to cook, clean, I have to sleep for you, I have to work for you.
Yeah, my sleeping has been bad actually. I don't sleep so properly at night.
It is so tough being pregnant as a male.
As a male? Are you
so
pregnant?
Tough. So tough.
Yeah, I must.
I have to be word for you all the time.
Yeah, I must.
No.
I really appreciate it. So that's
I'm
you know
saying.
already. But Alex, he has been like a really good partner, a really good husband, and already a damn good dad. Like every little thing, he's thinking about the baby. Like if I take up a pin, he's gonna be like, "Are you sure you can hold that pin?" Like every little. If I don't think about it, I know for a fact he's thinking about if something is safe or not. And he's been making my smoothies, packing my lunch, making my breakfast. Yeah, as I would say to some of my friends, I breed for the right person. I got pregnant for the right person.
Thank you.
And yeah, it's finally sunken in for Alex, as you know, with the gender reveal, but not the gender reveal, am I saying gender reveal? With the pregnancy reveal, he was a bit out of words. I think he knew what was coming because I had been talking about it days before, that I feel like I could be pregnant.
I definitely have my suspicions there.
Yeah, so he had his suspicions. But like a couple days after, I think he got more excited than I was. That's when he just really it kicked in for you. Like, yeah, I'm on daddy duties now. So yeah, it's sunken in. We are.
But I mean, I can relate to that because it didn't feel real in the beginning.
It didn't feel real.
It just had to sink in for 2 or 3 weeks or so.
Yeah.
And then it just became a whole lot more real.
Yeah, it became real, but I still struggle with my days of it feeling actually real. And I think it's because I haven't heard a heartbeat yet. I'm not seeing the child yet. I don't know, I think I just missed that connection. I'm not feeling any movements, anything like that to just make me know like, yeah, something is in there. But yeah, I do feel that it's real, but there are days when I just feel like, is it really real? But anyway, as regards to today, as I said, I'm really nervous.
You don't have to be nervous.
I just hope there's a heartbeat. I hope little baby has 10 fingers and 10 toes and won't have any chromosomal disorders, anything like that. Just praying for a healthy
It's gonna be alright.
baby, yeah. But I think once I hear the heartbeat, I think all that nervousness will just go. But yeah, we're heading there right now. We're heading to.
You're making them nervous now.
We're heading to guys shortly. Yeah, guys, we just got back from our ultrasound. Sadly, we couldn't video.
That was a disappointment. I thought if I asked nice, I would get there. Okay, but no.
But anyways, we did get like pictures, of course,
short glimpses,
and,
like
yeah,
short videos and all that.
Yeah, like a couple seconds videos. We're just gonna insert them so you can see. Så imorgon är jag klar med första trimestern. Precis. Ja, jättebra.
Går du undan?
How do you feel, sweetheart?
But now I feel much better. It's like from last night, my jaws has been really tight. Now they feel way looser. I don't have a headache right now, well, a tiny one because I'm hungry. But yeah, a little guy or a little girl was in there swallowing, having hand at the face, kicking and turning, and the heart was beating.
It was just so much for me to take in, so it feels like
Alex,
did I see the heartbeat, or did I hear the heartbeat, or oh, those are the ribs, like, oh, those.
It was so unreal for you, huh?
2 feet.
Alex enjoyed it. He enjoyed it.
It was
He enjoyed it. He
really
held on
nice.
to my hand the whole time, and I could see that you felt really proud. I could see that you felt really proud, and
yeah, it's a really cool thing that we can create a life. It's actually kind of cool.
oh my god, it feels like it's going slow, but it's going fast, because as you quint, second trimester is done, and then it's the last foot.
And it was nice getting the probability of having
yeah,
a child that has some sort of defect or
yeah, so no chromosomal
Yeah.
abnormalities, which is
That's
good.
nice. That was really
So
nice.
far everything's looking great.
Mm.
So far, because things can, God forbid, like things can change along the way. But right now everything's looking fine. It's looking healthy. And the little nose, I don't know whose nose it is yet. It's still early to. Yeah, the nose kind of reminded me of my nose when I was a baby, but at the same time it looked like your nose also when you were
Really?
a baby.
Oh, that's right. Your nose. When
I had a
you show
little-
me pictures
Yeah.
of you being a toddler,
Yeah,
your nose is a little.
bump out a little. Yeah.
That's true.
But I can see before we became pregnant, we always say that if we have a kid, we feel like our kid will have a straight face. And I feel like this kid will have a straight face. Like I can just see it, like it's gonna be like a little straight, cute little.
This is just way too early.
But I'm happy, guys. I'm so happy. Like
Yeah, I'm actually really emotional. It's
my face
super
was
nice.
so flushed. Like it was so hot on my face. Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go have some lunch. We're thinking about having some ramen. I'm gonna invite this one out on a ramen date. It was my friend that introduced me to this ramen place before, and I liked it, so I'm gonna bring Huzzy there. And then we go home and just chill. Well, not really chill. I have an assignment to complete, and then after that, or not complete but start, and then we have it easy because we're on our vacation right now from work. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. I can't wait
Very much.
to see how this whole pregnancy progresses, and just bringing you along on this journey with us, because I felt like you guys have been there since day one almost. And now here we are. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you think our baby will be, if it's a boy or a girl, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video when we post. And we'll see you in our next video.
Neat.
Bye.